Hi, this is Jeevaratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. In this video, I am going to discuss about the 12 houses and its impacts in medical astrology. The proverb health is wealth means that one's health is the greatest wealth. The definition of health is a state of a physical body, mental, emotional and social well-being. By maintaining a good health makes us feel good and positive. The human body has a very deep connection with the diseases. In fact, diseases are an important constituent of our lives. According to medical astrology, each sign and each planet is related to a particular type of diseases and it deals with the health and life issues. If a person's planet or zodiac sign becomes weak, he may be affected by a certain type of diseases. Let's see about the 12 houses and the diseases related to them. Each of our body parts links with the specific zodiac sign. However, some zodiac signs threaten diseases of prolonging, chronic and tedious in nature. And each sign has a specific quality and specification and plays a very vital role in the structure of our body. Now, here I am going to discuss about the zodiac signs and its corresponding body parts. Aries, it belongs to head, brain and face. Taurus, it covers throat, neck and lips. Gemini, it envelops lungs, hands and arms. Cancer, it wraps stomach, breast, chest and ribs. Leo, connected with heart, spine and forearms. Virgo, associated with intestines, lower spine, fingers and spleen. Libra, linked with kidneys and skin. Scorpio, allied with bladder, nose, appendix. Sagittarius, coupled with hips, thighs, nerves and arteries. Capricorn, joined with knees, joints, teeth and skin. Aquarius, attached with legs, ankles, circulation of blood. Pisces, connected with feet, toes, lymphatic organs. The debilitated or the enemy planets in the corresponding zodiac signs create a serious impacts in the human body organs. And also, planets in movable signs cause diseases of short duration. Common signs indicate neither short nor long. Fixed signs threaten diseases of prolonging, chronic and deadly in nature. Let's see the effect of houses of sickness in medical astrology. In order to find out a person's disease, one have to concentrate the planets and its associated houses. The 6th house denotes a sickness, 8th house meant for surgery and death, and 12th house belongs to hospitalization. Therefore, diseases are indicated by 6, danger by 8 and defect by 12. These following houses represents health issues in human body. The first one is the 6th house. 6th house in the astrological chart is known as the house of sicknesses. It indicates diseases and sickness. The health will break down only when the 6th house planet runs in that corresponding Mahadasas or Bhuktis. The second one is the 8th house. 8th house in the astrological chart is directly connected with one's lifespan in this world. The 8th house is also called as a house of death. That is the end of life in this world. 8th house associated with misfortune, mental anxiety, accident, surgery, suicide and danger from diseases. The third one is the 12th house. The 12th house in the astrological chart is the house of hospitalization, confinement, imprisonment, loss by marriage, loss by wife, loss of any kind like expenses, donations, charity work, secret enemies, deception, and repayment of loan. So, if you want to predict a person's illness at the right time, you might have to concentrate the 6th, 8th, and 12th houses. One more thing that we have to keep it in our mind is the recovery houses. Now, we can discuss about the effect of recovery houses in the medical astrology. For cure, we have to consider the 1st, 5th, and 11th houses. Whenever one suffers from any disease, one will be running the period of the planet connected with the 6th house, but he can expect cure during the sub-period of the planet connected with the ascendant or 5th house or 11th house. The following houses represents cure from disease or good health in the astrological chart. The first one is the 1st house. The 1st house, also known as ascendant, is always an important house when it comes to the health of the native. It also indicates a person's physical build, vitality, and vigor. If the ascendant lord are well placed by house, nakshatras, aspect, and conjunction, it gives a very good health to the native. Second, the 5th house. 5th house is the house of cure or absence of sickness. In other words, 5th house negates 6th house matters, that is sickness and diseases. During the period of the planet connected with the 5th house, the health of the person improves and they find cure if they have any health issues. 11th house. Planet in any manner connected with the 11th house cure diseases. If there is no planet in the 11th house, a person can't cure from the chronic diseases as earlier. Finally, if you want to check a person's health issues, you have to consider the 3 sickness houses and the 3 recovery houses. Finally, according to Vedic astrology, zodiac symbols and other birth signs are closely related to human chakras and organs. Planets and horoscope will help to identify the chakra energy, physical, mental, emotional strength, and diseases in the human body. Every planet is connected with respective chakras in our astral body. So, by reading the birth chart, we can easily find out a person's afflicted body organ. After knowing these troubles, we can recover from the illness by undertaking the proper treatments. Thank you and have a very nice day.